I'm sure if you are pregnant, you have heard this phrase again and again. Eat for two. You are eating for two. Everyone wants you to eat a lot. When you're craving for something, here you go. Here is some fries. Eat. Colleagues and friends will say, remember you are eating for two. Go for more. Go for a second or third. Husbands and in-laws will say, here, finish this. Don't get me wrong. These are all well intended. You may be eating for two, but remember, the other person is very, very small in utero. A better way to think of eating for two is to focus on providing baby with 5 key nutrients. That is choline, folate, protein, hydration, and the omega-3s. On top of reducing your stress level and also making sure that you are nourishing yourself, which can significantly impact how you feel whilst pregnant and your postpartum healing. Assalamu alaikum.